Science 3, Quarter 1, Week 8. Science in our daily life. Revised K-12 curriculum with me, Teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about science in our daily life. Day 1. Objective. By the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify the properties of iron and its uses in the local community. Activating prior knowledge. What objects around us are made of metals? Metals are special materials that are often shiny, strong, and do not break easily. Observe the pictures. Have you seen this object before? What do you think it is made of? Why do you think it is made from that material? Have you seen this object before? What do you think it is made of? Why do you think it is made from that material? Have you seen this object before? What do you think it is made of? Why do you think it is made from that material? Have you seen this object before? What do you think it is made of? Why do you think it is made from that material? We will learn about the properties and uses of some metals this week, starting with a metal called iron. Lesson purpose or intention. Today's lesson will answer the question, what are the properties and uses of iron in my community? Lesson language practice. Number 1, abundant. Very common and easy to find. Plentiful. Examples. Seashells if you live near the beach. And rice or coconut or sugar cane if you live inland. Number 2, rare. It means not common and difficult to find. Examples, mayang pula and patong gubat or Philippine duck. Reading the key idea or STEM. Activity 1. What are the properties and uses of iron? Observe the objects. Developing understanding of the key idea or STEM. The following are the guide questions. Number 1. Look at the objects, then touch them if you have in your room. Can you describe their properties? Second question. What are the uses of the objects? Third question. How do the properties of the object contribute to its use? Now here are the possible answers. For the first object, number 1, it is a metal spoon. Hard and strong. Used for working on food during eating. Being hard and strong allows spoons to cut and carry food easily. Second, paper clip. Hard, strong, used to hold papers together. Being hard and strong allows paper clips to not break easily. And the third object, coin. Hard and strong, used as money for buying and selling. Being hard and strong allows coins to not break easily. These metal spoons, paper clips, and coins are made of iron. From these objects, what do you think are the important properties of iron? Good job! Iron is hard and strong. Just like a nail or iron nail, it is hard and strong, used to connect objects, especially in construction. Being hard and strong allows nails to connect objects securely. We know that iron is hard and strong. We found that spoons, paper clips, coins, and nails are made of iron. Iron is everywhere. In fact, iron is a very abundant metal, meaning we have lots of iron here on Earth. Iron is so abundant that we use them everywhere. In short, we can describe iron as a metal that is hard, strong, and abundant. These three are the properties of iron. What about its uses? Can you describe the uses of iron? Great! Iron has many uses such as manufacturing vehicles and building bridges. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Can you identify other objects made of iron in your community? Good job! The objects made of iron in our community includes utensils, kitchenware such as pans and knives, vehicles, appliances, and many more. What are the objects for? Correct! Because iron is hard, strong, and abundant, we find it useful in many applications, particularly applications where hard and strong materials are needed. Making generalizations and abstractions. Number 1. Can you describe the properties of iron that we have discussed? Great! Iron is hard, strong, and abundant. Number 2. Can you describe the use or uses of iron? Correct! Iron has many uses, from the simple paper clip to tall buildings. Evaluating learning. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Identify the 3 properties of iron discussed today. Good job! Iron is hard, strong, and abundant. Number 2. Identify 2 uses of iron discussed today.
Awesome! Metal spoon. It is hard and strong. Used for working on food during eating. Being hard and strong allows spoons to cut and carry food easily.
Another answer, paper clip. It is hard and strong. Used to hold papers together. Being hard and strong allows paper clips to not break easily. Number 3. Identify one use or object you think should be made of iron that was not discussed today. Give the reason why you think it should be made of iron. Amazing! Iron benches are ideal for outdoor spaces due to their strength and resistance to harsh weather conditions. Their classic design and heavy build also deters theft and adds timeless charms to parks or gardens. Day 2. Objective. By the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify the properties of copper and its uses in the local community. Activating prior knowledge. What are electric wires? Have you seen this object before? Where do you usually see this? What is it used for? What do you think is this thing inside the electric wire? Correct! Metal. Why do you think there is metal inside? Good job! There is metal inside the wire because metal carries electricity well. In this lesson, You will learn about the properties and uses of metal in the wire called copper. Lesson purpose or intention. Today's lesson will answer the question, what are the properties and uses of copper in my community? Lesson language practice. Number 1, sheet. Plastic wrapping that surrounds the metal inside a wire. Number 2, unsheath. To remove the sheath. Number 3, electricity. It makes appliances and devices work. In Filipino, it is kuryente. Number 4, outlet. It provides electricity to appliances and devices. In Filipino, saksakan. Reading the key idea or STEM. Activity 2. What are the properties and uses of copper? Familiarize yourself with the following objects. Metal paper clip. Copper wire between 1.5 to 2.5 times the length of the battery. Multiple copper wires. Phone charger. Now, look at these two carefully. The metal paper clip and bare copper wire. Can you recall what metal this paper clip is made of? Correct! Iron. Now this wire is made of a metal called copper. Copper is the metal used for our electric wires. Going back, can you identify their colors? Good job! Iron is gray, while copper is brown. Many metals like iron are gray in color. Copper is special because it has this unique brown color. Do the following. This is to be guided by your actual teacher. Developing understanding of the key idea or STEM, to be guided by your actual teacher. Copper. It is a kind of metal that we can find in nature. It has a shiny, brown or reddish brown color and is very useful in many things we use every day. What makes copper special? Number 1, it carries electricity very well. That's why copper is used in wires inside toys, TVs, and even in school projects. Number 2, it bends easily. You can twist and shape copper wires without breaking them. Number 3, it does not rust easily. It lasts a long time. To emphasize, we use copper on wires to make our devices and appliances work with electricity. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Your actual teacher will pass around samples of copper wires for you to observe. You can bend the copper wires lightly back and forth. Make sure to gather all the wires back after. Alternatively, your actual teacher can just demonstrate copper's flexibility to you. Answer the following. Number 1. What do you observe when we or you bend the copper wire back and forth lightly? Good job! The copper can bend easily or it is flexible. Number 2. Can you think of other objects that are not flexible? Great! Pencil, ball pen, and meter stick. What metal is in the wires again? Correct! The copper. Number 4. Can you describe what may happen if copper in wires does not bend easily or is not flexible? Good job! Wires that are not flexible can be an inconvenience, such as difficulty in moving plug appliances and devices around, the inability to roll up charger and earphone cables for storage, and many more. Number 5. What do you notice about the wires in our classroom? Correct! They are covered in plastic. Number 6. Can you guess why the wires are covered in plastic? Great! Wires are covered in plastic because it keeps us safe from electric shocks. Number 7. Remember, wires can have electricity pass through them. So why do we cover copper in our wires with plastic? Correct! To make them safer to touch. Making generalizations and abstractions. Number 1. Can you describe the properties of copper that we have discussed? Great! Copper is brown in color. Copper allows electricity to pass through. Copper bends easily or is flexible. Number 2. Can you describe the use of copper that we have discussed? Awesome! Copper is used on wires to make our devices and appliances work with electricity. Evaluating learning. Number 1. Identify the 3 properties of copper discussed today. Good job! Copper is brown in color. Copper allows electricity to pass through. Copper bends easily or is flexible. Number 2. Describe the use of copper discussed today. Good job! Copper is used on wires to make our devices and appliances work with electricity. Number 3. Identify one use or object you think should be made of copper that was not discussed today. Describe why you think it should be made of copper. Great! Copper could be used in a special book covers or bookmarks to make them extra strong and shiny, like holding a treasure story in your hands. It can also help electronic books or smart bookmarks send signals to track reading progress. Day 3. Objective. By the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify the properties of gold and silver and their uses in the local community. Activating prior knowledge. What are the important properties of iron and copper? Number 1. Iron is weak. Is it true or false? Good job! False. Number 2. Iron is hard. Is it true or false? Great! True. Number 3. Iron is rare. Is it true or false? Good job! False. Number 4. Copper does not allow electricity to pass through it. Is it true or false? Awesome! False. Number 5. Copper is flexible. Is it true or false? Good job! True. Lesson purpose or intention. Today's lesson will answer the question, what are the properties and uses of gold and silver in my community? Lesson language practice. Let us recall. Number 1, abundant. It means a very common and easy to find or plentiful. Examples: seashells if you live near the beach, and rice or coconut or sugarcane if you live inland. Number 2, rare. It means not common and difficult to find. Examples: mayang pula and patong gubat or Philippine duck. Good job! Jewelries. Jewelries are objects made of metals and sometimes stone, worn by people to look beautiful. Examples include crowns, earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets. What do you notice about all these things? Great! Shiny, sparkly, and beautiful. Developing understanding of the key idea or STEM. Gold and silver have a similar property to mirrors. They are shiny. They reflect light beautifully, making them sparkle and stand out. What colors are gold and silver? Gold is yellow in color. Silver is gray in color. Gold and silver are popular choices for jewelry because they are beautiful and shiny. Do you know how much gold and silver jewelry costs? Great! Gold and silver jewelry are expensive or cost a lot. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Number 1. Why do you think gold and silver are expensive? Correct! Gold and silver are expensive because people find them beautiful. Gold and silver are rare. Gold and silver are rare, meaning there aren't many of them on Earth. They are the opposite of iron, which is abundant on Earth. Because gold and silver are beautiful and rare, they are expensive. Can you guess other objects made of gold and silver in your community? Write them in your notebook or on the board. Making generalizations and abstractions. Number 1. Can you describe the properties of gold and silver that we have discussed? Awesome! Shiny, beautiful, and expensive. Number 2. Can you identify the main use of gold and silver? Great! Jewelries. Evaluating learning. Number 1. Identify the 3 properties of gold and silver discussed today. Good job! Shiny, beautiful, and expensive. Number 2. Identify the use or uses of gold and silver discussed today. Amazing! Jewelries. Number 3. Identify one object you think should be made of gold or silver that was not discussed today. Describe why you think it should be made of gold or silver. Here is the possible answer. A ball pen with silver or gold trim is a stylish writing tool that helps learners improve their penmanship. Its smooth ink, float, and elegant design make writing more enjoyable and encourage careful, neat work in every subject. Day 4. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to design a product out of recyclable materials, including metals, that would be useful in everyday life. Number 1. What does it mean to recycle? Good job! To recycle is to make waste materials into useful ones. Tell if the following objects are recyclable or not, and what can be done to recycle them. Lesson purpose or intention. Today's lesson will answer the question, what everyday object can we make out of recyclable materials? Lesson language practice. Number 1. Waste. It means something that is not useful. Number 2, useful, when something can help you do or achieve something. Number 3, recyclable, when something can be recycled. Reading the key idea or STEM, to be guided by your actual teacher. Developing understanding of the key idea or STEM, to be guided by your actual teacher. These are examples of items that are usually thrown away but can be recycled. What everyday object can we make from recyclable materials? Correct! We can make many everyday objects from recyclable materials like bag, flower vase, and pencil holder. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Number 1. How can recycling help in the growing amount of waste? Great! Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste because we use them again instead of throwing them out. Number 2. Why are metals useful for recycling? Good job! Metals have very good properties that make them useful in many objects. For example, an old food can may be repurposed for other uses, like a pen holder. Making generalizations and abstractions. Number 1. What does it mean to recycle? Good job! To recycle is to make waste materials into useful ones. Number 2. What everyday object can I make from recyclable materials? Correct! We can make many everyday objects from recyclable materials. Well done, kids! Evaluating learning to be guided by your actual teacher. What have we learned today? Today, we learn about properties of iron, copper, silver, gold, and their uses in the local community. And design a product out of recyclable materials, including metals, that will be useful in everyday life. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.